Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode we got this cool instrument right here, and basically what this is a wireless charging station. You can basically charge like your phone on here. You can charge like your AirPods on here. And if you guys have Apple Watch, you can definitely charge on here as well. So you definitely can charge all three devices at the same time, which is pretty cool. So you can see it's from this brand right here, and they mention how the 3-in-1 foldable wireless charger. So I'm assuming for this part right here is foldable to actually save space, but we'll find out in a second. So this is basically what the packaging looks like right here. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so first thing you see inside right here, they provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set up product and how to use it. And next up right here, you can see they provide you guys the cable, which is USB to USB-C. So you can definitely use that to actually power on the device. And then last but not least, we have everything else right here. So it looks like they provide you guys a wall charger adapter right here. And then right here, we have the actual wireless charging station or wireless charger right here. So let's take both of them out to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take this one out, you guys can see that this is what actually looks like right here. So you definitely want to plug in this side right here to actually generate power onto the device. And the other side right here is USB. So you definitely use the cable that they provide for you guys to actually power on your device. And then right here we have the actual wireless charger. So when you take it out, you guys can see that this is what actually looks like right here. So we do have the brand logo right here. And you can see the product is completely folded up. So when they mention how it's foldable, it is foldable right here. So when you guys are ready to use it, you basically want to pull it up like this. And once you guys push up this part right here, you can definitely push up this part here as well. So just like that. So that way you guys actually use your Apple charger on here if you guys want to. And see in the bottom part here, they do have a symbol to let you guys know you can definitely do wireless charging on here for your AirPods, because they have the AirPods symbol right here. And the way how they designed this part right here and this part right here, they definitely have like the anti-slip material on here. So once you guys put your phone on here or your AirPods right here, it definitely will have a good grip, so it won't keep moving around. Same thing for the bottom part here as well. If you can see, they do have the anti-slip material that you guys need to peel off before I use it. And for the back part right here, you basically want to plug in the USB-C cable that they provide for you guys to actually activate it. But that is basically everything that's on the part right here. If you can see, it definitely looks like a really cool product, and it's very space saving as well, because you guys definitely can fold up this part right here and then fold up this part right here. And if you guys want to bring this when you guys are traveling, you definitely can, if you can see. But basically for the wireless charger option right here for your phone, you can definitely charge it flat down like this, or if you guys want to push it up and charge like that, you definitely can. And when you guys use the stand option right here, you can definitely use it in two different ways. So you definitely have the option to do this, or if you guys want to do it this way, you can definitely charge it like that as well, which is pretty cool. And definitely for this product, it has all the protection on here in terms of the overheat protection, the overcharge protection, over voltage protection, and the list goes on. And if you guys want to charge your phone with the case on, you definitely can, but there is a limit. As long as the case and the phone together is not bigger than 0.19 inch, then you should be fine. So that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me actually put this down on the table and show you guys how it works, and also show you guys when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I have the product all plugged in right here. If you can see, we do have a green indicator light right here that pops on. But let's test it out to show you guys how it works. So first thing I want to do is pull up this part right here first. And then once we do that, you guys will open the back part here as well. And then once you guys set all that up, you could basically start using it. So first one, let's test out the AirPods right here. Alright, so you definitely see that it is working and it is charging right here. Next, let's test out Apple Watch right here. Alright, so that works as well. And then for the last option that we got right here, let's test out the wireless charger. Alright, so that works as well. If you guys notice in the bottom part here, the light changed to blue. So that means the wireless charger definitely does work to actually charge your phone right here. And you can see on the side right here, they do have a button for you guys to press to turn on and off the light if you guys want to. So you can see how we actually have the light off. If I press it right here, it turns it on. So it's definitely cool how they give you guys that option available for you guys. And then for this part right here, like I mentioned, if you guys want to charge it the other way, you definitely can as well. So if I take it out, if I put it this way, that works as well. And then obviously, if you guys want to take all this out and just use it flat like this, that works as well. So you definitely have many ways to charge the product, but it's definitely really cool how they give you guys the option to use the wireless charger for your phone, the wireless charger for your AirPods, and also the wireless charger for your Apple Watch as well, which is pretty cool. But that is basically how you guys use the product right here, if you guys can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice and quick test of the product, definitely see that actually does work, actually works quite well. Super easy to use the product. If you can see from the video, you can definitely use all three things at the same time. So you definitely charge your Apple Watch, you can definitely charge your AirPods, and you can also charge your phone in those two different angles or three different ways. like I mentioned earlier. But definitely love the fact of how this is actually foldable, so it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to carry around if you guys need to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a portable wireless charging station that can charge all three of this device at the same time, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.